Hey everyone, it's Lauren Wood. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about highlighters. So Posh just came out with 3 brand new liquid highlighters and I wanted to show you how to apply them. Okay, I'm going to start off by taking just my makeup off. I'm going to leave my eyes just because I don't have that much eyeshadow on, and I just worked out, so that's why my hair is all crazy. And I'm going to just like take off what I put on this morning. So I'm just going to use the Bare Doll Micellar Tonic and a cotton pad. Okay, now to get started, what I use is a little bit different than what a lot of the beauty bloggers and things like that, you know, those people like that, they use a contouring powder and they use a highlighting paste and they use a foundation and all kinds of stuff. For me, I'm really simple with makeup. I use a BB cream. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer. This is just a BB cream to kind of keep you know, to even out my complexion and kind of, you know, hide any little imperfections. And then I also use bronzing powder. This is a beauty bronzer by Pixie. Subtly Sun Touched is the one that I like. And I also like to use the cream bronzer from Perfectly Posh. This one's called Bronzed Broad, and it's part of the summer line. It's a nice big thick bronzing stick. So I really like using this because it gives you like a nice like summer glow. And as far as blush goes, I use the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this color is Feisty. I like using this darker color in the summertime when I have a little bit more color on my face. It kind of, again, gives me that nice sun touch glow. Okay, so the first thing I do is I use my Tarte BB cream. I put a little bit on my finger like that and just kind of blend it where I need it to go, under my eyes and just kind of down the side of my face. Now I use a brush to blend this. I kind of just put it where I need it. And then I use my brush to kind of just blend it in. I have found that using a brush to blend in your BB cream or liquid foundation or whatever you use makes it really nice and even. Okay, that's it. That's it for the BB cream. Okay, and then you can do the highlighting before your powder or you can do it after your powder. I have found that even doing it after my powder is not taking the powder off of my face. But you guys, if you do your makeup differently, then you can kind of play with it and do it however you want. I am going to show you how I use this bronzing stick. I really, really like this bronzing stick. It's kind of a clear, a cream consistency. It's nice. It's got a nice creamy texture, and it's really, really nice and blendable. This is the brush I like to use with my bronzer, and I just kind of go up above, down my cheek and my chin. Down my cheek, up above, and down my chin. Use the brush to kind of blend it out. And it kind of just gives you that nice like glow. I'm going to use a couple different colors of highlighter. So I'm going to put them on before the powder. Okay. See, it kind of makes your circles kind of go away. It kind of gives you a little bit of definition on your cheekbones. Now, the thing with highlighter is you want to put it wherever the light is kind of touching your face. So you can see kind of down your nose, at the tip of your nose, maybe inside the corners here, right here where the light is touching your face, right here. Some people put it even above, you know, below their brow line. So maybe you want to put, you know, some of it down here, but definitely right here, definitely up above, definitely down here. And even where you can see the light kind of touching at your hairline, you can kind of put some right up there too. Okay? We're going to start with the white. There are 3 different colors that Posh just came out with. There is the white that's called the Working Pearl. There is the purple, which is actually my personal favorite right now. It's called Maiden Voyage. It's a really nice purple. And the pink, it's kind of like a rose gold light pink. It's called Pinking Out Loud, and it's a pink color. So you can kind of see all 3 colors right there. See how they differ. Now the white you can use, if you've heard of strobing with kind of a really, with highlighting and contouring, strobing is a way to really make all of your features really pop, okay? So the white is really very good for that. It comes in a dropper like this, and I'm just gonna put some on my finger here and then dab it where I want it to go, okay? So the strobing, the white we are gonna put everywhere where the light hits. So right up here. You can also use a beauty blender if you don't want to use your fingers. So you can kind of already see that going on. You could put some on the tip of your nose, right here, on the insides of your eyes, the corners of your eyes. The other thing that this highlighter is great for is for an eyeshadow base. If you want to use it as a primer or an eyeshadow base, you can do that too. So you can already kind of see where the light is hitting, that's where you want to go. So put a little bit right under here. And the other thing about this liquid highlighter is that it sets very quickly. So when you're working with it, it dries very quick. So that way you can layer the next color, you can do your powder, you can do whatever you want. Put a little bit, oh, that was a little, so that's, you only need a little bit. Go a little bit right up here and you're underneath the eyebrow bone. And you can kind of see right through here what that white working pearl really looks like. Really all you need is some foundation, maybe just the BB cream, some bronzer, and then some highlighter and mascara, and you're pretty much good to go for the summer. Okay, so let's check out this pink one. We're going to take a little bit of this and kind of go over just the same areas, just in a deeper route, a little bit darker here. Now, you don't really want to go past your eyeball, like your pupil line on your cheekbone. You can if you want to, but I'm just going right there. Now you're probably thinking, Lauren, why do you need 2 different colors? Well, I think that it just kind of gives you that extra oomph and it kind of warms it up a little bit. So you can do the white, you could do just the pink, you could do just the purple. I'm going to put a little bit over the top here because the pink kind of warms it up. And they also, with a liquid highlighter, you want to go with what your skin tone is. So the purple is more for like a warmer skin tone, okay? The pink would be more for like more of a fair skin tone. Just right along the bottom here, a little bit down on your chin. And you can kind of see how that light just really catches the highlighter. Now you can stop right here, put on a little bit of bronzer. If you feel like, whoa, I put on too much highlighter, I'm gonna just put a little bit of powder on to kind of bring it down a notch. So you can kind of see what that looks like. I'll do it on this side of my face. So you can kind of see from this side. You can still see the highlight, but it's a lot toned down from this side. This side, you know, it's a little bit more, so you can tell the difference. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to show you what the purple looks like. The purple is actually my favorite right now. I don't know if it's just working with my skin tone or what the story is, but I'm going to put it right over the top of that bronzing powder that I just showed you. I'm going to apply it right on the cheek just like that. And blend it in. And I mean, whoa. I just love, love, love this purple color. See the difference of the purple versus the pink and the white over here. The purple is just a warm and it's just a little bit more subtle, right? I just love how it looks. So what do you guys think about highlighters? Do you have a favorite color? Do you have a favorite brand? Do you have any tips for me? Because obviously I am an amateur when it comes to makeup and highlighting, but I really love trying new stuff. I love trying different makeups and different, you know, techniques. If you guys have any tips, tricks, advice, anything like that, let me know. I am happy to try it out. If you want to see something on my channel with makeup or different products or things like that, drop a comment down below. I am totally happy to try something different. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you can grab some of these highlighters and try some for yourself at home. I would love to see your results too. If you have any questions and want to contact me about anything, you can drop a line to my email right down below. If you want to try some of these liquid highlighters or get on this mermaid summer beauty trend, you can shop with the link right down in the comment section. You can also try all the Posh that you see here by joining. You can join Perfectly Posh for $99 and get a ton of stuff in your starter kit. Actually, this month, Working Pearl is going to come in that $99 starter kit. So please, if you have any interest in that, let me know. I can definitely help you out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.